today we're gonna cook Haleem, a Ramzan special. So let's get with our ingredient. We have a lot of ingredients for today. So let's get started. This is the first part of ingredient we're gonna start with. So we're gonna soak all these dals. So we have broken wheat. So we have green gram dal, that is moong dal, and Bengal green dal. So this is again chana dal. So pink lentils, masoor dal. So we have urad dal, and we have barley, and we have dry fruits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all into one and soak it for say 5 hours. So now we're gonna start with, put this dal in this, everything together. So here is our next ingredient. So we have chili, we have garam masala, we have coriander powder, we have pepper powder, and we have turmeric powder, we have curd, we have lemon juice. So let's get started with marination. Curd in this. Yeah, so this is a third part of our ingredient. So this we're gonna fry. So we have coriander leaves, onions, chilies, mint, and caramelized onions. So this is all the garam masala we have. So we're gonna fry this. So we're gonna take this vessel, and dal is ready. We soaked it for 5 hours. So we're gonna make this. We're gonna put this in this and boil it. Don't put a lot of water. So it needs very little water. So let this cook for say 1 hour. So we're gonna take a frying pan and put oil in this. So this is gonna take a lot of vessels. So be ready for it. You can mix ghee if you want, it's optional. So I'm gonna mix it together. So onions. And cheese. All this masala, we're gonna mix it in this. We added water in this.